Okay, so we got the dog and pony show going on here. Check this out. This is a Maserati rocker switch. It's kind of faded. The black on it's not shiny. The graphics are a little wasted. It's basically a die-cast metal top with a plastic base and a couple of copper pins. Now you might be able to see this is, let's see, kind of green and wasted because this is how it came out of the vehicle. Now, interestingly as well, they all have this Lucas part number on it. Each one of these is a little bit different. I put the part numbers in black felt tip out on the outside. In any case, we're going to just test this one right here. I have a power supply that I could show you here, but just take my word for it. We got a couple of 100-watt quartz halogen light bulbs here, and we're going to fire this switch up here and see if it works as received, right? I mean, obviously, here, there's about 10 amps going through there. Now we're going to see if this switch works. It doesn't. Because it's Lucas. Ha! No, because its problem is that after years of use, there's a little drum that snaps back and forth and goes over and shorts these two against each other like that, and they wear out. This is one I've already repaired. And the way that I repaired it is, of course, take it apart, clean it all up. I discovered that these have to be pressed up into the housing a little bit because the contact area for the drums is lost after years of use. So what I did is I actually heated them up with appropriate materials, shoved them up in the plastic, and then there's a screw here and a screw here recessed down in the housing that puts these in the position for them to work again. And so this one's all restored, and I buffed it out and I cleaned it so that it looks relatively new. And now, bingo. 10 amps. That's likely more than this thing will ever see, but it's proof of concept. So anyway, got to do this to most of them, is clean them up, relocate these. So this is actually better than it was original. Alrighty, that's my story. I'm sticking to it.